Let's start the experiment of electromagnet. We will require battery, copper wire, metal objects and iron nail. Let's make an electromagnet using a simple battery. This is the apparatus we require for the experiment. First of all, we will take the iron nail. Now we use copper wire. We will wound copper wire on the iron nail thoroughly. Let's start. The copper wire is being wounded on the iron nail in the form of loops. Many loops are made. It becomes like a solenoid. Now we will make two loops of the copper wire at the ends to connect with the battery cell. Now the circuit is completed. We will now take the metal objects to check whether it has become an electromagnet, because battery gives the current to the copper loop and it becomes electromagnet. It attracts the metal objects like a magnet. It remains magnet as long as the battery is connected. As soon we remove the battery, the metal objects are separated and magnetic power is lost. Moral is, the electricity flowing through the copper wire has passed into the iron nail, making it electromagnet. It becomes a magnetic.